is officially Sports Saturday! We love Sports Saturday because we have lots and lots and lots of games. It's going to be an awesome day for the Dyches fam. We're starting the day with the Roswells. With what? What do you got, dude?
Basketball.
Basketball, and this kid is a scoring, stealing, dribbling machine, right? And then William has indoor soccer, and then Rozzie's got indoor soccer, and then William is going to finish up the night with 2 basketball games.
And then I got a wiggly tooth.
And Roz has wiggly tooth. Wiggle it for us. Ew! So today's going to be a great day, right, Roz?
Yep. Let's go.
I rise just like a phoenix, born from the ashes. I take care of my own. Torn down where I stand. You can't suffocate my spirit, 'cause I'm the king of my own throne, my own throne. King of my own throne, my own throne. You'll never see me fall, fall. You'll never see me fall. Watch me reign, and I'll slay them all. Slay them all, slay them all, slay them all. You'll never see me reign, and I'll slay them all. Slay them all, slay them all, slay them all. You'll never steal a throne. Oh, 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 oh. King of my own throne, my own throne. Oh, 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 oh. King of my own throne. Born from the ashes, 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 born from the. You can't suffocate my spirit, 'cause I'm the king of my own throne, throne, oh, 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 oh. King of my own throne, my own throne. You'll never see me fall, fall. You'll never see me fall. Watch me reign, and I'll slay them all.
There's my little basketball player. You played amazing today.
Yep.
How many points did you have?
8.
You had 8 baskets. You know what that means? You dropped 16 points in that game. Dude, you're ready for the NBA, I think.
No.
Hey, and you did some awesome jump balls where you stole the ball, and you did some awesome fast breaks. Dude, you're amazing.
Yeah, and I did some layups too.
And you did some layups, because Roz has been practicing his layups this week, right?
Yep.
Yeah, dude, you did awesome. Okay, should we go score some goals at your soccer game now?
Oh yeah. Let's go.
What's up, Dyches fam? Me and Willie D are loaded up and headed to where?
My soccer games.
That's right, we're doing indoor soccer and basketball, and we started baseball practices. So, Willie's got 3 sports going on. But first sport up for Willie today is indoor soccer. Let's go waste some energy playing soccer. Alright.
Let's go. Roswell scored 4 goals last game, and they were actually the only goals scored the whole game. So Roswell, how many goals are you gonna score today?
A lot.
A lot? Give me a number, bro.
10.
Dude, you put down 16 points in your basketball game, so...
Let's just wait.
Okay, let's go!
Let's go.
Hey guys, I'm finally connected with this pretty lady.
Yay!
And these
On the
cool
road again.
2 dudes right here.
Oh yeah.
We've had a busy, eventful day today. These guys have had 2 soccer games. Rosie had a basketball game. And I went to a funeral, and I've been driving quite a bit. Luckily, now that we're on the road, I just came from this area a couple hours ago, and it was starting to storm. And now we're back up here, and the storm came through and put so much snow and ice on the freeways that there was like
There's 3 cars
4 or
off
5
the road.
wrecked cars on the way up.
Giant black cloud. There had to have been, like, somehow we barely missed the storm.
Yeah, and fortunately we're getting off the freeway right now, and missing the big, huge line of parked cars on the freeway. So there's a big old backup going on over there. Anyways, where are we headed to right now, Willie?
My 2 basketball games.
That's right. William has his last doubleheader basketball games of the regular season. This is our competitive league, and right now we're sitting 6-2.
Yep.
We desperately need to go out and win how many tonight?
4.
Because if we don't, then we won't probably qualify for the Final Four tournament. Of which, last year, how did we do?
You took first place.
That's right. We went undefeated, guys. We went 14-0 and did really awesome. This year we've struggled just a little bit, but we're hoping to be able to get some wins today so we can have a chance to qualify for that tournament.
Oh yeah.
All right, Willie, you ready to go kick some butt today?
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Okay, Willie, game 1 in the books. How'd it go?
Pretty good. Beat them by, I don't know, quite a bit.
Wasn't it 20-ish
Somewhere around that.
points? We came out a little slow in that game. For some reason, my team has a hard time in the first half of waking up. But then in the second half, we're warriors.
Oh, yeah.
And the boys hustle hard and do really good. But this next game is going to be a little bit tougher. As far as the standings go, it seems like this team is probably a little bit better than the team we just played.
Yeah.
So we've really got to go out there and give it all we got.
Oh, yeah.
You ready for that?
Definitely.
Okay, buddy.
2 wins. Let's do it.
Let's go kick some butt.
Let's go.
It's long days, long nights, no aid. This is my fight. A small cage, but a big hive. All's at stake, it's my time to shine. Yeah, I'ma train hard, mistakes turn into learned scars. To build a brickyard, it's one by one, each bar. So build it tall, build it strong, build it large. And build a base first, so reliable you can reach the stars. Lights so bright, I can feel the rays. My lungs feel tight, I could barely breathe. Sleepless nights waiting for the day. I wanna be strong, wanna be brave. Bloody hands wrapped, covered up in tape. I might not be the best, but I never break. I will not surrender, I am a contender. I gotta be strong, gotta be brave. Lights so bright, I can feel the rays. My lungs feel tight, I can barely breathe. Sleepless nights waiting for the day. I wanna be strong, wanna be brave. Bloody hands wrapped, covered up in tape. I might not be the best, but I never break. I will not surrender, I am a contender. I gotta be strong, gotta be brave. There's moments in time where you gotta step up, be courageous and grind. When you come face to face with the fears that you have, do you cower or shine? Today is the day, make a change in my life, I think it's about time. I won't let fear hold me back anymore from me getting what's mine. I'll change my brain, my thoughts. A new game, new rules, my laws. Step up, slay down, a new boss. I'll be the one, starting my reign, up at the top. Lights so bright, I can feel the rays. My lungs feel tight, I could barely breathe. Sleepless nights waiting for the day. I wanna be strong, wanna be brave. Bloody hands wrapped, covered up in tape. I might not be the best, but I never break. I will not surrender, I am a contender. I gotta be strong, gotta be brave. Lights so bright, I can feel the rays. My lungs feel tight, I can barely breathe. Sleepless nights waiting for the day. I wanna be strong, wanna be brave. Bloody hands wrapped, covered up in tape. I might not be the best, but I never break. I will not surrender, I am a contender. I gotta be strong, gotta be brave.
What, Ross? We won! Woohoo! Go Hawks!
Willie, game 2 in the books. How'd we do?
Pretty good. We beat the other team by like 15. 10 to 15.
Uh-huh. And we went 8-2.
On the other
Yep.
side, babe.
And now
Other side, Benjamin.
Trunk.
we're,
Hey.
we're picking up my brother. What's up, Ben? Sorry to put the camera in your face.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Welcoming you.
Oh, I just bit my tongue.
Hey, so Willie, we finished 8-2.
Basketball.
And we're keeping our fingers crossed that it's good enough to make it to the final.
Oh.
What
That's right. But we have qualified for state Bantam. And so that means in order to qualify, you have to finish with over 500% winning average. And we went 8-2, so that's good enough to qualify. But I feel like we should have went undefeated. Oh well. I think you guys did awesome. I'm so proud of how you did tonight. Let's go eat some dinner.
Let's go.
Who even eats anymore?
Well, not anybody that
Did
bites
you
their
lose?
tongue. Guys, Freddy's steak burgers are the best. Will, you doing good over there? This is my brother Ben's first time. Oh my gosh, Wills, calm down. I haven't even taken a bite.
These are the best.
Basketball games. He's hungry.
This is the best burger I've ever tasted, and these are the best fries I've ever tasted.
Oh yeah. Well, eat up. Hey, we just made it home, and now we're gonna go see our family.
Oh, the gang's all here.
Hey, dude. What's up, buddy? You good? Oh my gosh, look at this cutie. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Look, it's baby Rowan. Hi. Hi, Kelly. My brother Benji Thomas celebrating birthdays. Isn't that awesome?
I saw you.
Yeah.
I heard you made 8 baskets.
This is awesome. Good times. Hi, my mom's been baking a cake, it looks like.
Yeah, I gotta get it frosted. It tastes better with frosting.
Okay. Dyches fam's hanging out. Party time.
Yeah. If you can't get in here, it's because we got lots of people.
Yeah.